Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today, we are showcasing 20 breathtaking marble patterns cakes that are stealing the softness in 2025. The first one is classic white and gray marble cake. Simple and elegant, this gray wine marble on white fondant look like polished stone. Timeless beauty for weddings or anniversaries. The next is pink rose marble pattern. Soft pink and white marbled fondant with sugar roses, romantic and delicate. The next is gold wine marble cake. Black marble fondant with gold painted cake cracks, luxurious and bold. Perfect for a high-end birthday or wedding. The next is ocean blue marble cake. Swirl of teal, navy, and white. Create a calming sea inspired effect for beach lovers and destinations events. The next is marble with edible crystals. Gray marble meets edible geode crystals, marble and magical. A touch of sparkle in every slice. The next is soft lavender marble tied cake. Lavender hues with subtle swirls and fresh florals, dreamy and delicate. The next one is marble and gold brushstroke cake. Clean marble base with bold gold strokes across tiles. Minimalist meet glam. The next is minimal black and white marble cake. Bold contrast with dramatic swirl and no florals. Perfect for a wedding events. The next is pink marble with macarons. Soft blush swirl with matching macarons and gold leaves. Elegant and sweet. The next is gray marble, galaxy marble cake. Deep blue and purple swirl with shimmering stars. Celestial and trendy. The next is green marble cake with gold trim. Emerald stones swirl into soft white outline in edible gold, earthy and rich. The next is two-tone half marble cake, half smooth fondant, half marble, a sleek modern twist, balance and modern boldness. The next is terracotta marble design, warm earthly tones swirls into light cream, perfect for boho themes, rustic and refined. Next is watercolor marble effect. Airbrushed blues, pinks, and purples blend seamlessly. Art on cake. The next is bold black marble with metallic accent. High contrast cake with silver or gold foil touches. Strong and sophisticated. The next is buttercream marble texture cake. No, not fondant. This one uses buttercream to swirl marble textures, soft, fluffy, and artistic. The next is marble with real flower topper. Fresh roses and eucalyptus decorated with white marble tiles. Nature meets elegance. The next is marble bottom tile with clean white top, grounded base, and a minimalist top, sleek and structured. The next is subtle baked marble wedding cake, creamy marble tones, ideal for rustic chic weddings, natural elegance. The next is full tide marble cake with florals, multiple tiles, full marble fondant decorated with sugar flowers, a showstopper centerpiece. Marble cakes are timeless, whether you are planning a wedding, a birthday, or just love elegant design. These cakes are unforgettable. If you like any design, take a screenshot of it and save with you so you can bake for your next event. Comment which one was your favorite. Share this video with a friend who loves classic cakes. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more cake slideshows and creative inspiration every day. Coming up, elegant one-tire cake ideas, cupcakes with fruit branches, and galaxy mirror glaze cakes. Amazing cake ideas are coming soon. So stay tuned with us for that. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Till that, stay tuned with us. Goodbye.